This is our TCL Roku TV. We don't use it for TV or cable, but we use it as a computer monitor here in our conference room in our business. This particular model is 43 inches, but our company actually uses a lot of these in our smaller conference rooms, as you can see here. This room fits about 7 people, and we use it for web conferences and training sessions. It's hooked up to a computer via HDMI cable, and as you can see, it's bright and easy to see, and it's great for teaching and demonstration purposes. The screen is big enough that you can show multiple computer windows on the screen, and everything can still be seen from about 8 to 10 feet away. And as you can see, it does come with a remote. There's nothing special about it, but it does have volume and mute on the side, and you can change your inputs. It's a decent remote, nothing too special about it. Here I am going through some of the settings. You can see there's multiple inputs. You can see there's a bunch of settings. It is a typical TV, so you can use it as a TV or a computer monitor. That's fine. There's just kind of the model number, and just how you can see the colors you can see in it. It looks pretty good to me. And then when you move around a little bit, you actually get some different viewing angles. So even though I'm actually sitting fairly close to the monitor, as I move to a different angle, you can still see it. So here I am almost on the side, and it's still very viewable. So again, it works well in a conference room, whether you're right in front of it or you're far away. It still works great in a conference room. It is fairly thin. It works great for business applications. I wouldn't use it for gaming. It's got some general ports, but it's a great business webinar teaching, training sort of monitor, and it works great in a business. It's nice and thin. We were, again, able to put a webcam on top, so we just kind of use that plugged into the computer, and it's great for business, great for work. I like it.